We know that sometimes it can be hard to find the right information at the right time, particularly when there's lots of it. Beacon makes it easy for you to find all your useful contacts in one place, wherever and whenever you need them. If you find yourself needing to contact one of your lecturers or a member of staff, you can simply head to the Staff Directory tile where you will find a full list of lecturers, staff, and all the relevant contact information you will need to get in touch. You might find yourself needing to get in touch with one of our friendly student support teams to book an appointment, find out information, or ask any burning questions. Beacon has its own student support tile where you will find the quick and concise rundown of the student support services the university has to offer. The top option on the menu, called Our Student Support Services, will open an easily accessible list of all our support services. Navigate to the team that you need, and all the relevant contact information is available at the tip of your fingers. Need help or have any further questions? Contact us at Student Connect and we will be here to help.